Hey guys, Biker Mike here coming at you with a product review on these Blue Point PHP3 fuel line pinch pliers. Now what these allow you to do is if you're working on a fuel line that doesn't have a shut-off switch or shut-off valve on it and you got to disconnect the line to work on something, this clamps right onto the fuel line and pinches it off so you don't end up with a whole bunch of fuel all over the place. So yeah, I was out yesterday running some errands in town and I ran into an old buddy of mine who has a Snap-on truck now, so that's pretty cool. And thought I'd just go out and check out the truck and have a look around, see if I could find something I liked that I thought I could use in the shop and help them out with a little purchase. So I ended up picking up these, and I just wanted to show you guys that and show you how awesome they work. Now let's just say you're working on a fuel line and you need to pinch it off before you disconnect it. These pliers are pretty cool. They self-lock. The more you tighten them, the harder they'll lock onto the line. So it's just pretty simple to use. The little ends here pivot, and yeah, you just clamp them on the line like this and squeeze them down and it just pinches off the line. Nice and simple. It's a lot better than using vice grips or something that could cut the line. You know, these little ends are specially made for that, so they won't gouge your fuel line or cut it. And yeah, I just got a little bottle of water here, and we'll just dump some water into this line just to demonstrate that they work. I'll see if we can get this position so you can see it. There we go. And I'll just open up the water bottle and there you go. You can see the water in there and nice and dry on the other end. Nothing's coming out of there. So they do exactly what you need them to do. They're purpose built for that specific purpose. So I think they're really cool, and you know, it's one of those things that you buy them and it might sit around the shop for a while, but when you need them, they're really nice to have. So there you go, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, like the video. Leave me a comment what you guys think, and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing more product reviews and how-tos all in the power sports segment. Thanks for watching.